Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to start Heist in GTA Online. Alright, let's begin. To start a heist in GTA Online, you first need to own a high-end apartment. Open your in-game phone, go to the internet, and select Dynasty 8 Real Estate. When buying an apartment, make sure it is listed as a custom apartment, because only these include a heist planning room. If you do not own an apartment or do not have enough money, you can still join a heist by opening your phone, selecting Quick Job, choosing Play Heist, and waiting for an invitation. After purchasing a high-end apartment, go inside and enter the heist room. If you do not see the heist option immediately, wait for Lester to call you. Inside the room, you can choose to start a heist as a leader or join as a crew member. To lead a heist, open the interaction menu and register as a boss or president. Once started, Lester will guide you through setup missions. Most heists require multiple players, so invite friends or other players to continue. So that's basically how you can start Heist in GTA Online. That's it for this video. Thanks!